Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to look at how to download pictures from Google Images. Go to Google Images and search for any pictures you want. I will search for images of puppies for this example. You can find thousands of images. Select any image you want and click on it. Here you can see the resolution of the image in the bottom left corner, so you can choose accordingly what resolution you wanted to download. This one has a better resolution, so what you have to do is, right-click on the image and select the option Open Image in New tab. Now go to the New tab, and you can find the image there. Right-click on the image and select Save As. Now a dialog will pop out. Select the location you want to save an image and rename the image to what you desire and click Save. You can now see that the image is downloaded. You can open it and see it yourself. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you all later.